Importing layered Adobe Photoshop files. Adobe Photoshop can create graphics with multiple layers. Layers are similar to tracks in a Premiere Pro sequence and allow for separation between visual elements. You can import Photoshop document layers into Premiere Pro individually to layer-specific adjustments and animation. As with any other media you import, changes made to the PSD file will update automatically in Premiere Pro when the file is saved. Let's import a layered Photoshop file into our project. Double-click an empty area of the project panel to open the Import dialog box, or choose File Import. Navigate to Lessons, Assets, Graphics. Select the file Theft Unexpected Layered.psd and click Import. The Import Layered File dialog box appears. For this exercise, choose Sequence from the Import As menu and choose Document Size from the Footage Dimensions menu and click OK. Look in the project panel for the newly created bin called Theft Unexpected Layered. Double-click it to open it. Inside the bin, double-click the sequence Theft Unexpected Layered to open it in the timeline panel. Sequences have a particular icon in list view. A similar icon is displayed as an overlay on their thumbnail in icon view. If you're unsure which item is which, hover your pointer over an item name, not the icon, to display a detailed tooltip, which will tell you if it's a clip or a sequence. The sequence opens in the timeline panel and is displayed in the program monitor. There's a navigator along the bottom of the timeline panel. Drag one end of the navigator to shorten it and zoom in so you can see the clips and the sequence more clearly. Look at the sequence in the timeline panel. The contents of the sequence are displayed in the program monitor. Try clicking the Toggle Track Output button at the left of the timeline for each track to reveal and hide the content on each layer. Close the Theft Unexpected Layered bin by choosing Close Panel from its panel menu.